Hello guys, my name is Andy Fresh of the Fresh Multimedia, and today I'm here to show you where you can download all your software for free. I mean 5 top sites where you can download all your softwares for free. Without wasting my time, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, I think when you are here, then you are pretty lucky because you are about to be able to get all your softwares. Talking about Fruity Loops, talking about Cubase, talking about video editors like Adobe Premiere, in fact a whole lot for free. So the first one I'm going to talk about here is Ninite. Yes, Ninite. Ninite. This is a site where you can get most of your stuff to download for free. And then after Ninite, the next one I'll be talking about is getintopc.com. Get Into PC is my go-to site. That is my number one site. In fact, this site is like simply amazing. It gives you full, should I say, softwares, not should I say, not softwares that you will be struggling to get keys or something to know. This gives you full softwares from all your sound. Even in fact, if you are a sound engineer, this is where you are supposed to go to. After that one, let's talk about geek. Major Geek is one of the sites. It's been there for a very long time, and it looks like this traditional sites. The templates is mostly like the traditional sites. So apart from Major Geeks, I think the other one I have is Softpedia. Softpedia is also one good site where you can do your downloads from Softpedia. Softpedia is good for downloads, and you can get most of your plugins and stuff here too. Apart from that, then we have the last one, which is Filehipo. Filehipo is also one of the best places where you can get your sites, or you can get your you can get your softwares and plugins to download. Thank you for watching this video, and if it has been good for you, you follow this channel and you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe, so that when I drop another video, you will be first to get notification. Thank you so much.